This is where comedy comes to life on
Yo, what up, people? You don't know your boy Jnel, what going fans, what going people, what going everybody, yo, what going everybody, fans, everybody in the whole world, Canada, England, America. Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel. Why am I so happy? What you me I talk to you, though? Don't it? Hold on, you not answer. You not answer. You not answer. Oh, I never hear. Oh, cool. Well, me I say, when you vex with me cause whenever I put on a video in December, people are cussing all them something there. Be a cussing. Sorry about that, fans. You know. But I can be a man still. I be a man. Well, you don't know, say December was the festive season. You don't know, foreigner there, everybody there, people are go out, people are do this and people are do that, so you get caught up. You don't know when foreigner there, you have to like follow them, go around the place and all them things. Well, I know it's a lame excuse, but now we're on the cell fans, they don't know. They even tell them no Merry Christmas, though. Even Happy New Year, I'm telling you now, Merry belated Christmas, Happy New Year, although the New Year start already, but here what, still have to tell you the same way, don't it? So even though whenever like put up a video in December, I don't know say a new year now, new video, some creative idea, some idea we never know we could have think about it. At 2016 though, last year we have some mad hit video like 5 things that always happen in Jamaica, Americans versus Jamaicans, meet a man, you don't know the video, we are coming with some things that shatter than them, you don't know at 2016, so the thing of a upgrade, you know them way there. Yeah man, you don't know, so I have to give thanks to those who support me all last year and the year before and 2013 them start. Big up everybody, big up all who have comment on the video them, you don't know. Big up on yourself, I only make with them now 4,000 subscribers that are only we are aiming for go higher. You see me? We are aiming for go 1 million. Although I know we not get 1 million at Jamaica still, but anything is possible. So we have to big up all Jnel Tv Crew, we have to big up BJ, see man with the Kano thing, you don't know. We have to big up him brother Ashi, we have to big up Nick, and we have to big up the cameraman. Although people, we don't know really see the cameraman, but man do work without the man that can't bust down. I don't know if I have to big up my cousin, but you want to say, why that? You lie, you don't know, say, we have to give him thanks, see me, 2016 now. So this year, I feel like, say, this year we are going to bust. I don't feel like, I don't say this year we are going to bust. So people just go and support the whole Jnel Tv Crew. My sister is now motivated to continue to do work because people then we are messaging on Facebook and say, yo, the video them shot, the video them this, the video them that. Alright, Mary, just try something. You don't know, fans, thanks for liking and sharing the video and thanks for the support overall. You don't know, so you have to give thanks to that. You motivate me to like do more video. But people, look out for your video soon. And at the end of this video, you're gonna see some link there where you can choose any video you want to watch. Just click subscribe, man. Just want to make you know, say fans, so don't forget to you don't know, say we have a video coming next week. And every week after that, you don't know, so you're gonna fling out the video them. Look out for them every Friday, every Friday. You don't know your boy Jnel. Respect due to all. You don't know. Just subscribe, you don't know. You don't know your boy Jnel, but like AIDS. Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel. Click here to watch another video, or click here to watch our next video again. To watch the last video, click the purple box here, blink, like, share, also subscribe. People, subscribe to my channel. Click right here, Jnel TV. But like AIDS.